how to fix the something went wrong error message in Pinterest. Now typically you'll see this message when you're trying to log in to your Pinterest account. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to fix this on your phone. Now the first thing you need to do is just go and load up your phone settings, scroll down to General and click on this, and then press iPhone Storage. You'll then need to scroll down the list of applications until you see Pinterest. You could then go and click on the Pinterest app. Now press Offload App and press Offload. Once you've done this, click Reinstall, and don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data. You can then head back over to your iPhone home screen, go and load up the App Store, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, and then scroll down to the list of apps. Now, if you see Pinterest in the list of outdated software, you'll need to go and update this just by pressing the Update button. Now, you can also press Update All to go and update all of your apps. Now, if it's not working, you'll need to try uninstalling and reinstalling Pinterest. So simply head back over to your home screen. You can then hold your finger down on Pinterest, click on Remove App, and then press Delete App. As you can see, this will delete your data. Press Delete. You'll then need to open up your App Store and try reinstalling Pinterest. Once it's been reinstalled, you can check to see if that now solves the issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is to open up the settings on your phone, scroll down and click on General, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now press Reset and select Reset Network Settings. You'll then need to enter the passcode to your phone, and once you've done this, you'll also need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. You could then try opening Pinterest, and that should have solved the login error.